Hello, I'm Sanjay Kumar and I am the CEO of Diligence. Recently, we have completed one very exciting project named Ananas, and today I have the developers of the project, Simi Gupta and Elvis Jorim, with me to discuss about this project. Simi, can you please introduce yourself and tell us what was your role in this project?
Yes, Sanjay. I am a senior developer in Diligence Technologies. I have 8 years of experience in the PHP and other technologies also. Uh, right now, my role, as far as my role is concerned into the project Ananas, I was an Odoo developer into this project. uh, Odoo is basically a complete ERP software and it works as a backend on Ananas. Okay, my role was to integrate the APIs that will communicate with the app and Odoo backend, and to customize the modules that has been provided by Odoo itself. So this is my role.
Great. Elvis, can you tell us about yourself and about your role in this project?
Sure, Sanjay. So I'm a software engineer at Diligence. I basically build applications using Flutter. Flutter is basically a framework for building hybrid mobile applications and also desktop and web applications. So, and my primary role in this project was to create the Flutter application from scratch and integrate all those APIs from that I got from Odoo.
Great. So, Elvis, what was the status of this project when you started working on this project?
So there was already a version 1 of that app on Play Store, but as it was built on native technologies like Android and iOS, so the code managing was difficult for the client. So when they came up that we wanted hybrid application, hybrid solution. So then I started working on it and I built the second version of the app from scratch.
Great. Simi, next question is for you. What is the issue? What is the problem that this project solves?
Uh, Basically, Sanjay, this project is an e-commerce app. Basically a grocery shop. So in this pandemic time, users don't want to go out of the home, and they want everything to be available at their home. So this purpose has been solved by this app. Okay, they can order from the app, and they can choose the time slot over here. If they are not available at home, they can choose different time slot and they can get it delivered. Okay, so this is the basic challenge that uh, we were facing in pandemic, but this app solves this problem for the users, and it is very much beneficial for the user.
Great. Elvis, next question is for you. What what were the different challenges that you have faced in this project?
So when we started working on this project, so we were only building the mobile application and the backend was handled by some other company. Um, at that point, there was some problems with communications that we faced. Later on, we actually got the backend part as well to work on, and thereafter the work was quite smooth. The another challenge that we uh, actually got is uh, when we actually completed the project and we were uploading onto the stores, iOS for the Apple Store and the Google Store. So what was happened was the Google app, the Android app was um, submitted successfully in just one day, but the Apple was kind declining the app, and they actually suggested us that you have to change the flow of the app. So later on, we basically changed the overall flow of the app. So yeah, so those are the challenges that we actually faced.
Right. And if I'm not wrong, the suggestion from Apple was that users should be able to see the products without authentication, without login. And for this purpose, we have to change the flow. And another challenge that we were facing in this project was Google was accepting the app in a single day whenever we are providing any upgraded version, but Apple used to take 4 5 days. So during this duration, we need to ensure that our user are able to use the app, our previous version app, as well as the new version of app, because Apple user had the previous version of the app, and Android user, they have the new version of app. And our code base is same for Android and iOS, so we have to plan the release in a way that both of the users are able to use it. Great. So, Simi, what is the project status now, and how is your experience after working on this project?
Uh, the project is live on both platforms, Android and iOS. The experience was so good, as whenever we initiated anything to change into the app or into the backend, uh, client was so much good to explain the things that we have to do on backend. Okay, it was pleasure to have such a client, because uh, whenever I stuck onto something, they I was able to contact them immediately, and they you know they give the feedback about that particular thing, whatever I asked them. Okay, so it was good with client. And another experience was to give such good app to the users to uh, to solve their issues. Okay, they can use the app, and they can comfortably manage the things for their daily routine. So I'm glad to make such app. And another experience is the learning, that I learned a lot with this project.
Great. And Elvis, how was your experience in this project? How are you feeling now after completing this project successfully?
So experience was great. I mean, it was my first solo project that I worked on. Um, uh, the learnings that I got was a lot. Um, I was introduced to Odoo. Um, Before that, I had no idea about the Odoo. So the learning was nice, and yeah, things were pretty nice, and yeah, that's all.
Great. Simi, how is the experience of client? Is he satisfied with your work?
Yes, Sanjay, they 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 are so much satisfied with the work that we did, because the previous team was not that good of understanding them, because they have to contact with the project managers, and there was no direct contact to the developers. They contacted us as a developer, because we are the developer, and they directly contacted us. So the experience was so good. So there is a clutch feedback of the client. The client has provided us feedback on clutch, and this is what they've written. When the company launched the new app, they noticed that it grew by approximately 200%. This means whenever the client started working with us, the app growth was 200%. Okay, the internal team was impressed by how well the team understood what they wanted to do, unlike the developers that they worked with the past. Diligence Technologies even provided advice on how to better the project. And the rest, Sanjay, whoever is watching this video, they can see the clutch review of the client, the clutch feedback of the client on the description. So that's it.
Great, great. So, as the CEO of the company, I would like to thank both of you for creating this wonderful app. And I would also like to thank the client. He has accepted our advice. We asked him to change the backend team because we were not getting the quality APIs from them, and he has accepted our advice. He has given the project, the entire project to us, and in between, we have given many suggestions to improve the project. And I would like to thank the client to accept our advice. It provides great satisfaction when we suggest something, and those suggestions make the product even better. And this is one of our e-commerce app. It's multilingual. The app is in English as well as in Arabic. And if you need any project in e-commerce or in any retail industry, so you can contact us. I have given the contact us link in the description. And besides e-commerce retail domain, we also work in healthcare and wellness. We have developed many meditation app. We also work in online dating app development, and we also work on education industry. So if you have any requirement, you can contact us. We would be happy to work with you. Thank you.
Thank you.